True wealth is not about how much you earn. It's about how much you get to keep and how much is actually in your pocket or your bank account at the end of the month. So why does everyone get caught up on how much money they're earning? It's the stuff we see all over social media, obsessing about having a 6 or 7 figure business. You just need to sell more courses, create a passive income product, build the perfect funnel, make more money. Because when you make more money, you'll have more money to spend, won't you? It's peddled as the answer. The answer surely is just to make more money, but it's not really, is it? Because if you don't organise what's going on behind the scenes with your money, all that happens is that you earn more and you spend more and you pay more tax and you've got no more money to show for it. The truth is, it's not about how much money you're making, but how much you get to keep. So in today's video, we're going to start making sure you're looking at your finances in the right way, so you can actually have more money without the pressure to earn more money. If that sounds good to you, make sure you hit the subscribe button now so you don't miss future videos. Hi, I'm Claire, money coach and qualified financial advisor. For the last 14 years, I've been working in the financial services sector and I run a successful financial services business. I'm here to help you walk into wealth enriched, empowered and excited. I've built my dream life and now I'm going to help you build yours. And remember, if you have any questions, post them below, because at the end of each video I answer one viewer's question. Okay, let's get on with today's show. It's so easy to focus on the big shiny figures, but never actually look at what those mean, both for your business and for you as an individual. The first step is to sit down and work out how much money you need each month. You've probably already got an idea of what that figure is. It might be the amount you need to pay your mortgage and your bills. It might be enough to pay half of the bills at home if you split everything with your partner. It might be you're the one earning all the money and you need enough to support your whole family. But once you know what that number is for you, the next step is to figure out the easiest or quickest way to make the money you want, which is then thinking about how you get paid and how the money arrives in your personal bank account, not just the money that comes into your business. You know, I'm a great believer in paying yourself a regular wage each month. It doesn't really matter what you call it, whether it's wages or drawings or salary or dividends. The key point is you need the same amount coming into your personal bank account each month so that you can budget and you know whether you're coming or going. But how you actually account for this and how you choose to draw the money out of your business can make a massive difference depending on the way you choose to do it. So let's look at some different options. If you've always been employed, you'll be used to the fact that when you get paid each month, you have to pay tax and national insurance. They get paid at pretty much set rates, no tax on the first $12,500 a year you earn, 20% from there up to $50,000, and then the higher rate threshold kicks in. As an employee, you can't do much about the tax you pay. If your salary is £55,000 or £80,000 a year, you're going to pay some higher rate tax and there's very little you can do. But as a business owner making this much, with a successful business, you might be thinking, how can I pull this money out and not pay more tax than I have to? Because ultimately, although we all need to pay tax, you only want to pay your fair share. Now let's pause for a moment and consider how your earnings and spending has grown. Confession time, how often have you found yourself comparing yourself to others on social media? What have you done to combat this? Share what has worked for you in the comments below so we can all benefit from each other. So now that you know what income number you need for you, the second step is to figure out the easiest or least stressful way to make the money you want, which is then thinking about how you get paid and how the money arrives in your bank account. So let's look at the different options. Option 1, take a small salary and the rest as dividends. Most business owners do this because it reduces your overall tax bill compared to paying yourself a large salary. Your salary is likely to be set around £730 a month. And then you take as many dividends as you need to draw the income you require to pay your bills and costs at home. Another option might be to pay your spouse from your business as well, at the same level as you, or maybe a different amount if they have their own income from business or from a job they have. But doing it this way can save you thousands of pounds worth of tax because you both have a personal allowance to use, which means you can each draw a smaller amount from your business each month, but have more money to spend at home. Whichever way you do it, the other crucial thing is to get into the habit of reviewing your outgoings on a regular basis. For some people that might be weekly or it could be monthly. If you have a team member doing this for you or a bookkeeper or accountant, then you should have regular reviews with them to chat this stuff through. Now be truthful, how many times have you noticed a subscription cost going out of your account for months at a time that you don't need, or you set up accidentally a free trial for something that's now gone on to the paid version. Hundreds of pounds could be leaking out of your business through lack of being on top of your money 100%. You might already be super successful, but really you can only consider yourself a successful business person once you've got on top with your money. So what is the truth about how to make more money? By paying yourself through the right channels, you can pay less tax and maximise the amount of money that lands in your personal account. By reviewing your spending, you can create a more efficient spending plan and save hundreds or thousands even of pounds each year. Okay, so it's time for today's Ask Claire question, which comes from Gill. I don't yet have a retirement plan, but I am trying to save up for my wedding. How can I balance doing both? The answer is that first you need to work out how much you can afford to put away each month from the spare money that comes into your personal account, and then decide how you're going to split that between your wedding fund and your retirement fund. So it might be that you're looking to put away a couple of £100 or even £1,000 or more, but you're going to need to make sure there is enough in the pot when you need it. So depending on when you're getting married and how much money you need, you'll need to work backwards from there and work out how much money you're going to need in your pot. And of course, if you're a limited company, it might make more sense for your company to fund your pension contributions anyway. You can check out my other video on that. I hope this has helped you to take one step closer to that life you really want. See you next time.